we'll commence with today's session. Today's questions that we have organized, they are somewhere in line with what we had discussed last time. They are not new, but they are a little bit tricky, little bit. So this is the first part where you are given the front view and the side view of one object. So the front view looks like this, a square and a circle in the center. And that circle becomes like a cylinder like this of 3 centimeters diameter. And the height of that square is 10 by 1.5. Now, this, how many, so what you have to find is the least volume of a rectangular box which can pack 6 such objects. The least volume of a rectangular box which can pack 6 of such kind of objects. The least matlab minimum, kam se kam volume. So yeah, how do we go about this? And we are given a number, we have to pack 6 of such objects. और आपको dimensions दिया है, so 10 by 1.5 by 3.5. This is in centimeters. Okay. So anybody wants to give any suggestion? How do we go about it? कैसे पहले तो कैसे arrange करेंगे? We'll find out how do we arrange these 6 of these objects. So, okay. One possible very basic arrangement. Sorry, 1 second. One very basic arrangement is to have a linear one. Possible है ऐसा कि सब सारे stacks are arranged in a linear fashion like this, all 6. But in that case, your volume is bigger. Aapko, how do we arrange 6 such objects in a manner that you have the least minimal volume? Any ideas?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, by keeping 3 in a line and other 3 on the top of it, but inverted.
Inverted. 3 in line like this, and other 3 on top of it.
No, ma'am, not ma'am. Just it in the first figure as it is shown. We can keep it like that. 3 in a line.
Okay, let's do that. So likewise, the way it is kept here, आप ऐसा बोल रहे हो कि the next figure will be like this in elevation. ऐसा बोल रहे हो आप? And then the other 3 on top of it inverted. Inverted मतलब यहाँ पे आएगा, ऐसा बोल रहे हो? Are you saying something like that?
No, ma'am. Actually,
Oh. Okay. Can you draw? What are you saying here, if it's possible?
Wait.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, is this the first question?
Yes, this is the first question.
Okay.
What happened?
No, ma'am, I joined just now. That's all.
Okay, okay, ठीक.
Ma'am, I am unable to draw right now.
Oh, okay. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm not able to give any permissions. It's difficult. Okay, ठीक है, चलो, no problem. Okay, ठीक है, no problem.
Ma'am,
Inverted, yes.
we can arrange all 6 of them as 6 sides of cube and
Yes.
the protruding part at the center, facing the center.
Yes, that's a good idea. It's a very good idea. So what somebody had suggested right now, we can arrange all 6 parts like this. Like
Ma'am?
this. Yes.
Ma'am, instead of
Yes. Instead of, yeah, somebody was saying something. Hello.
yes, ma'am, I was saying this.
Yeah.
only.
Acha, this one only you are saying. Okay, ठीक है. So what was given as a suggestion was, okay, let's just get inspiration from a cube. और 6 बोला है, cube में भी there are 6 surfaces. And what if each of this object becomes a part of one surface? So 4 objects like this can be arranged in, so this is, one second. So this is object 1. This is second object. This is the third object. This is the fourth object. सामने के side पे will be a fifth object and the back side will be a sixth object at the back. जैसा वो green box में दिख रहा है, green color का line में आपको दिख रहा है, that is the front object, and likewise the same will be repeated on the other side. Now this kind of arrangement is possible because if you look at this dimension, 3.5, the side elevation का जो dimension है, 3.5 and 1.5. 3.5 plus 1.5 will be 5 centimeters and this is 10 centimeters. यहाँ पे एक साइड पे 5 सेंटीमीटर आएगा टोटल, दूसरी साइड से भी 5 सेंटीमीटर आएगा टोटल, which equates to the total width of the object, which is a square of 10 by 10. That's where it encloses perfectly. So bare minimum volume if you want to occupy, cube is the least possible volume that this object can fit in, and excuse me, this is 10, बीच वाला जो square है will be 10, the volume of the resultant box will be 10 plus, how much is this width? I think 1.5. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
ऊपर भी 1.5 आएगा. One second. So 10 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 is how much? 13. The width, this width, the bottom width is how much? 10. ये बराबर लिखा है मैंने.
हाँ.
13 by 10 by how much will be the depth? Anybody wants to suggest? 13 is the height. Front elevation में ये object को देखो तो 13 will be the total height. This height is 13. The base का width is 10. और वो depth में कितना जाएगा?
10.
You're saying 10.
Yes.
Ma'am, 13.
Yes, it will be 13. 13 आएगा या 10 आएगा, एक बार फिर से चेक करो. चलो, सामने के साइड पे you will on the side, when you look at this object from this side, what will you see? You will see a square box. One second. If you look at it from the other side, what you will see is you will see the square box. You will see something on top. You will see also something on bottom, which are this sides. ये वाली side है एक और एक ये वाली side है. Which are the two boxes which I have shown here. अभी ये जो green वाला box दिख रहा है सबको? Everybody can see a green box here.
Yes, ma'am.
वो ग्रीन वाला बॉक्स कहाँ पे आएगा? ये साइड पे आएगा वो ग्रीन वाला बॉक्स. ड्रॉ. एंड अनदर फ्रंट अनदर बैक साइड पे एक और बॉक्स आएगा ऐसा. ये मैंने बराबर किया है यहाँ पे. Draw it in the green. This green box which I have drawn in the front, साइड में तो वो ऐसा थिकनेस ही दिखेगा आपको, पीछे भी ऐसा एक थिकनेस आएगा. इज दैट करेक्ट?
Yes.
तो कितना विड्थ आएगा? 13 आएगा. दिस टोटल विड्थ 10 प्लस 1.5 प्लस 1.5. कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है अभी भी?
नहीं, क्लियर हो गया.
ठीक है. So 13, what is the total volume then? The final volume is what? 13 by 13 by 10. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या आएगा आंसर?
169.
1690.
1690. That's correct. Absolutely correct. Is that clear?
मैम
Yes.
मैम 10 कैसे आया?
ये नीचे वाला 10 दिख रहा है आपको? ये width,
ओके
ये वाला width तो 10 ही आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे साइड में हम कुछ एक्सटेंड नहीं कर रहे, यहाँ पे भी कुछ एक्सटेंड नहीं हो रहा है. Everything is getting accommodated in that width of 5 because 3.5 plus 1.5 is 5. वैसा ही सेम 5 या दूसरे साइड पे मिरर में आएगा. The red one which I have shown here is what will be fitted in. So 5 plus 5 10. वो 10 वाली width में आपके दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स मिरर इमेज फिट हो जाएंगे आपके opposite facing opposite sides.
ओके
इसलिए वो width 10 ही रहेगा. But the opposite side, because there is another object getting added in front and another object getting added at the back, that's why वो 13 आएगा वहाँ पे. In this kind of question, visualize the 2 or 3 sides and you will get and you will arrive at the answer directly. Any doubts? Confusion? Clarity चाहिए और any doubts you want? You have any doubts here? Anybody?
No.
Okay, ठीक है. We have done this earlier, students. Can anybody clarify? This object we have done earlier?
No.
No, right? I had the doubt little bit, that's why I'm asking. Okay, so I think you have done this kind of question, like 2-3 questions we did last time on surface counting. So you are given two different views of the same object. You have to find the number of surfaces that are there. Abhi, in this kind of complex object, what you should do, just a suggestion, is you are given ये object को दो parts में divide कर दो. One is the rings which are seen at the bottom. These rings which are seen at the bottom. And one is the top part which is seen here. ये object को ऐसे दो parts में divide करके count the number of surfaces and add the two surfaces to add the number of both the surfaces together and you find it, because both the parts are drastically different. इसमें you'll have to count the rings which are getting there. अभी ये ring के बाद after this ring, what is happening is all the this you are getting 4 different rings. This is getting separated. All the 4 parts are getting separated. That's where you add it to this part. इसको यहाँ पे मत डालो, इसको ये ऑब्जेक्ट के ये पार्ट के अंदर ऐड कर दो. So okay, you have 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so far 12, plus the 4 rings which were getting segregated, plus you see this D which is happening here, दिख रहा है आपको? उसमें कितने surfaces होंगे एक D के अंदर?
2.
3.
3 or 2?
2.
Two surfaces. One is the curved surfaces which is semicircle and one is the vertical surface. तीसरा कोई surface ही नहीं है. ऐसे कितने D हो रहे हैं? There are 4 Ds happening like this. Correct? So 4 2s are 8 plus 8. ये कितना total आएगा?
24.
24.
24. Yes. So correct answer for this is 24. 24.
मैम
Yes.
मैम बॉटम में 8 नहीं होंगे
कहाँ पे?
when we start from the
This
needle
one?
point.
This one? This
No
one you are
मैम
saying?
जो
Then?
needle point है वही से.
अच्छा नीडल पॉइंट का आप बोल रहे हो? नीडल पॉइंट तो एक ही है.
मैम
It's
उसके ऊपर.
इसके यहाँ पे
Yes मैम.
that is जो कोन होता है ना, so if you slash the cone top part of the cone, the surface that you get is one surface. It's not 4 surface. Cone होता है, you know a cone, right?
Yes मैम.
अभी ये वाला जो कोन है उसका मैं ये इतना पार्ट निकाल देती हूँ, तो बॉटम में जो बचता है कोन का पार्ट, that part is what this object will look like. वो तो एक ही सरफेस हुआ. There are no
नहीं
4
मैम
surfaces.
वो needle वाला part 1 फिर उसके ऊपर cone वाला part 2 and the
हाँ.
third one जो अंदर concave type है.
Okay, ठीक है. So you're saying, second, ये I had counted, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ये 7, ऊपर का पूरा सरफेस is 8, 9, 10, 11 and then ये ऊपर का half, ये वाला part, 12, which is what this 12 is about. बराबर
Yes मैम.
है ना? ये 12 वो टोटल मैंने काउंट किया, आधा पार्ट यहाँ से काउंट किया, आधा पार्ट यहाँ से काउंट किया. क्लियर?
Okay.
Any doubts anybody has here? Okay, ठीक है. Okay. So here you are given these two objects P and Q. When these two objects are placed over each other, which arrangement or arrangements are possible, is or are possible? What it means is 2 or more answers are possible, correct? Can you
Yes,
quickly, okay, can you take some time and try solving this? क्या
Yes.
आएगा? इसमें how do you see it वो भी बताना solve करने के बाद. And yeah, okay, you are answering in the chat. I didn't saw that. Sorry. Okay. Josh is saying, okay. Yes, Josh, your answer is correct. Parishri, please check your answer. Radhika, your answer is correct. Maria, Maria, Kritika, Shaival, Vanshi. Please check your answers. Aneri and Sachi, your answers are correct. Mauni, Vrushank, your answers are correct. Avni, please check your answer. Yes, Maria, your answer is correct. Yes, Parishri, your answer is correct. Okay, Shaival, I'm not able to get which is the final answer. Okay. No, Vanshi, please check your answer. Yes, Shaival, your answer is correct. Yes, Avni, your answer is correct. Okay. So in this case, what you have to see is, ये जो circle है, this circle is pointing towards this tip, any tip of a triangle, because all tips are similar. It's an equilateral triangle. All tips are similar. That's why all angles are similar. And the square in the pentagon, this square in the pentagon is pointing towards one edge. It's a regular pentagon, which means all angles are similar. What you have to do in this is, K square should be pointing towards the tip of the pentagon and circle should be pointing towards the tip of the triangle, which is happening in A, in B. C में वो नहीं हो रहा है because this is a surface, this is an edge, but ये point हो रहा है. So C is wrong. D में हो रहा है? Yes. In D also it's happening like this. Is that clear? So the correct answer is A, B, and D. C is the only one which is wrong. It doesn't is not in alignment with what is given here. Is that clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one. You are given this object, and what you are given here is rotation of the same object which is shown above. This object can be rotated, और इसमें simple rotation से which options are possible. There are certain options where the colors might have swapped, या फिर मतलब ये जो rings है वो गलत colors का हो सकता है. So what you have to find is which of the option correspond to rotation of this object above, which is shown here. Anybody wants to suggest how do we go about this complex color objects? Anybody wants to suggest? अब इसमें एक एक पाई का देखोगे या फिर you will come up with a simpler method? Okay. So how do we, just a suggestion, how you should go about in this kind of question is, just a suggestion, huh? You can also take another method, which is a possibility. For me, a simple method is कि जहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा ring मिल रहा है, that I will take first. So I will take this pie. I'll take this pie, and corresponding to it, I'll take this pie. What I will do is I will just compare these three first, and then I will eliminate few of the options, and then I will cross check which are the remaining options that are possible or that are not possible. Okay. So anybody who has arrived at the correct answer so far? Yes, you are correct, Radhika and Josh. Your answers are correct. Avni, please check your answer. Aneri, yes, you are right. Swati, please check your answer. Moni, please check your answer. Okay. So in this case, like I said, let's just start with this part. This 3 trio where the ring, this green ring is flowing through and through. Where is that green ring flowing through and through? In A, here. These two colors are in line, these two colors are in line, these two colors are in line. Samne mein bhi this possibility for 2 purples, 1 pink, 1 green, and then pink. Ho raha hai? Correspond? Yes. So A works. For the time being, we'll say A works. B may, is it possible? No, this is wrong. This part is wrong. वो गलत है already. There itself, it gets eliminated. In C, these rings are corresponding. These parts and the other part, the other pie which is beside this, they are corresponding well. There is no issue here. और सामने के side पे you have pink, you have purple, but then this color is wrong. This color is not working, no? There's some error with that color. So ये भी गलत है. D में these two are right. This is fine. This is fine. Even this is fine. There's no error here. Another, if I look at this green wala, more green wala part, even that is correct. That part is also correct. This part also with reference to this, what is seen here, ये भी सही है. ये वाला जो part है, which is this pi, is also similar. And even this pi is similar. So I will say even D is correct. A may, I will go back and cross check whether or not it's working. So, okay. Even in A, that all those remaining pies are responding. So the correct answers are option A and option D. Is that clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. C may, I don't know, what did you miss? It looks as if you have missed something here. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. I'll just get back to you. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? Yeah. So you're given these 2 prints. You're given a cardboard which is like this, and this cardboard needs to get converted to what you are seeing at the bottom with some kind of print happening on top of it. What you have to find is which of these options will be the print, which will be added onto this brown cardboard which you are able to see here. One or more options are possible here. So please check your answer. There are definitely two answers here. So I request you to go through it once. Okay, okay. Chalo, which is possible? Let's see. Let's start with the first one, the option A. This is little bit complex, thoda sa, which is it's a little bit teda actually, rather than complex. It's a little bit teda. So let's start with option A first. Anybody has any issues with option A? Can anybody come forward and suggest कि option A में कोई problem है, नहीं है, or all the prints are the same? So let's start with the top part. Is there any issue here? Or is there any issue here?
No.
Or नहीं है issue कहीं?
There
Ma'am,
is.
the first two curves are colored in the art, and here the first two curves are not colored.
ये वाला and ये वाला. You are saying right. You are saying that, right? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो. तो option A गलत है फिर. Option B. This is fine. This is fine. This is also fine. ये position. Yeah, ये position. There is something issue here, but let's see here if this matches or not. This one matches, and this one matches. Now, yeah, you will say that this is wrong, but may I ask you one question? What if I rotate this? इसको मैं ऐसे rotate करूँ तो will that work or will that not work? Rotation on this side, like rotation like this. Will it work or will it not work then?
But ma'am, it is not mentioned in the question that we can rotate it or not.
हाँ, but print है ना, print तो आप rotate करके लगा ही सकते हो. रोटेट करने के बाद अगर प्रिंट में गलत है,
Won't work.
you have to rotate the print to at 180 degrees, no? मिरर नहीं करना है प्रिंट को, बट प्रिंट को 180 डिग्रीज तो रोटेट कर सकते हो कि नहीं कर सकते? For instance, if you are given a print or print block and you print that block in 45 degree या 180 degree या 90 degree, does it make any difference at all?
No, ma'am.
नहीं ना. तो ये पॉसिबल है. इसके अलावा और कोई एरर है ये वाले? इफ आई रोटेट B 180 डिग्री, will there be any error besides this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
है मतलब एरर है?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम. क्या एरर है?
Ma'am, the bottom part, the first semicircle would be empty, but in R it is not like.
So you are saying ये वाला जो part है, this part you are saying, right? This part when it gets rotated, यहाँ पे ये empty है, यहाँ पे ये filled है, तो ये भी गलत हुआ. चलो, B is also wrong then. Let's go to C then. In case of C, is there any issue then? In case of C, is there any issue? C and C को भी, C is like a, is it like a direct print or it's not like a direct print?
It's not direct.
It's not direct print. But is this position correct then? देखो,
Yes.
even if you are, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, let's, ठीक है, चलो, you're saying yes, ठीक है. Now, if I rotate, when you rotate this, will the position be appropriate or not?
Yes,
बराबर ही
ma'am, on
होगा
rotating.
because this distance and this distance is correct. Bottom का ये वाला distance कम है और ये वाला distance comparatively ज्यादा है, वो तो बराबर होगा. ये वाला part fill हो रहा है, this empty cell at the bottom, is the position correct or not? ये ऊपर आ रहा है, ये भी नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, ये बराबर है या नहीं बराबर है? ये दोनों सीव जो मैंने मार्क किया है, when you rotate it, will it be an appropriate position या नहीं होगा? Can anybody suggest? See, I'm going to confuse you. जब जितना confuse करना चाहोगे, I will confuse you even more. That's my job because.
Ma'am, they will be appropriate.
It will be appropriate. Of course, it will be appropriate. So option C, it's possible provided the print needs rotated 180 degrees on this side. Option D. Any issues with option D? Option D में
No.
कुछ problem है?
No.
No, right? Option D is straight away. It's like a exact printout. You don't need to rotate it. Don't need to do anything. You print option D the way it is and you get the print which is there. So option D and option C are correct. Here. A and B are wrong. C and D are the correct ones. Any doubt? Anything? Any confusion? In this kind of question, when prints are given, you cannot mirror prints. Please remember that. अगर आपको दिया है ऐसा कि जो options है उसका I mean for example ये जो figure दिया है उसका mirror अगर option में है then that is a wrong answer. But if you are rotating it 180 degree, if you are rotating it these prints 90 degree या 45 degree या any other angle, that is possible. But mirror as an operation in this kind of question is not, you should not be doing the mirror part, but rotation is allowable. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. Fairly simple one. You're given some kind of a sequence here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What will come in this last box which is seen here? Yes, Sachi, your answer is correct. Swati, please check your answer. Radhika, your answer is correct. Avni, Roshank, your answers are correct. Mauni, your answer is correct. Aneri, please check your answer. In this case, the key rule rather, is if you look at carefully, all this grid is interconnected with each other. So the yellow part is moving, sorry, not in this direction, but the yellow part moves in this direction. It moves from one figure to another figure to another figure to another figure. And the blue part moves in this, it moves diagonally like this. So either it's in this box or it's in the topmost right side box. Either it's in the bottom left or it's in the top right box, if you look carefully. So as we move from this to this here, yellow box ka position shifts at the bottom, blue box ka position shifts in this corner. So that's why you get this. When you move to the third part, yellow moves here and blue part yahan pe aa jata hai. That's where they are coming together. When you move to this part, yellow moves here and blue ka moves here, And that's where when blue and yellow come together, you get a third color, which is green, because yellow and blue, they make green together. That's correct, right? You know, right? You blue and yellow colors, when you combine together, you get green color. That's correct, right?
Yes.
Now from this position, yellow moves here and blue moves here, which is seen in this part. From this part, yellow moves here and blue moves on this side. That's why you get it diagonally. From this part, yellow shifts this side and blue shifts here, which is seen here, blue and yellow together. Then yellow moves here and blue moves here. That's where they come together again, which is green. Then yellow moves here and then blue again comes here. That's where yellow and blue upar niche aayega, which is option A. Is that clear? Any doubts, any confusion, any clarity required? Okay, ठीक है. You are given this complex figure, and what you have to find is the number of triangles that are present in the second circle in the left, in the second circle from the left in the second row. Second circle from the left in the second row. Can anybody tell me which circle am I talking about? It's not a three-dimensional figure which you have to think about. It's a two-dimensional figure which you have to think about. Yes, very good, Maria. That's the one which we are talking about. So in this case, how many triangles are present? Very simple question. Kitne hai? Anybody
5.
say? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if I were to ask that, imagine these are 3D solids. Imagine these are 3D solids. Then how many triangles will be present? Anybody wants to say?
10.
10. If these are 3D solids, then 10 triangles will be present. Since you are given circle, it's not a solid, but it's given a circle. The word they have used is a circle. That's where we'll say 5. So option B is the correct one here. Fairly simple, not too complex here. But why I have kept it here? All these solids which you are seeing here, they are all called Archimedean solids. They are all called Archimedean solids, of which many a times the questions are asked. Icosahedron, dodecahedron क्या होता है, या dodecahedron में कितने triangles है, या फिर football में कितने pentagons present होते हैं. Those kind of questions are asked. So just a suggestion, and you should do that. What you should do is you should read about what are the different types of Archimedean solids, and what are the number of surfaces that they have, and what kinds of surfaces. Many Archimedean solids, such as this figure which you're seeing here, might be a combination of square, triangles, and pentagons. Many Archimedean solids which are seeing here on the top right corner, they might be just a composition of triangles. There's a possible. So what you should do is कि कितने surfaces होते हैं, and how many triangles and how many squares, yeah, how many triangles and how many pentagons. All those things you should remember. Just browse through what are the different types of Archimedean solids, and get yourself familiarized about it. So here you are given this 4 figures which are showing some kind of perspective. What you have to find is which is the figure that has a perspective flaw, where the perspective is flawed. Which figure has a flawed perspective? Very easy. Anybody can tell me which one is it?
C.
C. Okay. Yes, it's C. The correct answer is C, because these lines which you're seeing here, they should not be meeting here, but it should look something like what is seen in option A, where the lines come here, there'll be vertical happening like the way you are seeing verticals here. Same verticals will be happening on the backside of the surface, and then this another larger vertical will happen. So option C is the only one which is a flawed perspective. Here option B also has a perspective where these two lines, they are not parallel to each other because the edges are not parallel to each other. They meet at some point, and that's what corresponds to these two lines which are seen here. And even in option D you can see the same thing. So A, B and D are the correct perspective. C is the only one which is a flawed perspective, and that's why the correct option is answer C. Is that clear? Okay, ठीक है. This is also fairly simple. You are given this figure and you have to find what will come here. You're given some kind of relationship here, like we did earlier, this kind of questions of grid. You have to find what figure will come here.
C.
C, okay. Somebody is saying option C. Option C और option D में फर्क क्या है?
कलर
कलर का तो D आएगा ना.
D.
Yes, the correct option is option D here. Option D is the correct one. Why? This has 3 figures, this has 5 figures, and this has 4 figures. So this is the middle one, this is the lowest one, and this is the highest number of figures in this row. In this row, this has 4, this has 6. In the bottom row, this has 5 sides, and this has 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 7 sides. And that's where the last figure, which is 6, happens in between 5 and 7. 4 and 6 के बीच में 5 figure वाला आएगा, which is either C or D. But if I look at the gradation, first row is the lightest, second row is middle tone of gray, and the third row is a darker tone of gray. That's where I will choose option D and not option C. ये थोड़ा carefully observe करना. In these kind of question, observe the options very carefully. ठीक है, चलो. Move to the next one now. Okay, I'm not sure if you know what a fisheye perspective is. Does anybody know what a fisheye perspective is?
ऑप्शन सी.
C.
Option C. Very straightforward. Abhi, can anybody tell me what is option A? What kind of perspective is option A? Option A is what kind of perspective?
2
2 point.
2.1
2 point. Option B is what kind of perspective?
point.
1.
1 point.
Yes, option B is 1 point. And option D क्या है?
Elevation.
Yes, exactly. Option D is called elevation. Option B is the 1 point perspective. Option A is 2 point perspective. And option C is fish eye view perspective, which will always have the verticals as curves and the horizontal as linear straight lines pointing in one direction. Clear? Okay. Now you're given this you're given this 3 different images which are fit in some kind of context. There's some context common with related to these 3 different images. What you have to find is which will be the fourth image. What will be the fourth image of these 4 options that will fit in the context with where these 3 images belong. थोड़ा weird है question. Okay. Moni, you're saying you're giving the answer for the new question or the older one?
Ma'am, this one.
This one. Yes, that's correct. Nirzari, Mahi, Josh, Sachi, please check your answers. Yes, Maria, your answer is correct. Parishri, please check your answer. Aneri, please check your answer. That's wrong. Rushank, your answer is correct. Swati, please check your answer. Kyosha, your answer is correct. Radhika, your answer is correct. Rushank, can you suggest what is the logic? Rushank? You're here? Okay, ठीक है.
हाँ यस मैम.
Yeah, can you suggest what is the logic?
मैम इसमें शायद से कुछ किचन जैसा कुछ है, तो इसमें बल्ब होगा, मेरे को ऐसा लगा.
Okay, you are saying something related to kitchen. Okay. Radhika, आपने क्या logic लगाया?
Ma'am, I actually eliminated all the answers where it was dark. So B option was the only one.
It was dark. Okay, dark मतलब समझ में नहीं आया.
Ma'am, all the options they do not relate to the given series.
Okay, but how are you relating them? That's what I was asking. Okay, ठीक है. Moni, what is your logic?
Ma'am, in the pictures, they are separated by a white line. And if we see at the other options, like the tree, the person, and the cycle, they are not separated by that kind of white line. Where, like in C, there should be a white line in the place of the hands, and in the tree, it should be between leaves, and in the cycle also, it is not there. So I chose the bulb.
Okay, ठीक है. Maria, what is your logic?
Ma'am, I thought of a kitchen.
Kitchen, okay. See,
Yeah.
the logic, okay, ठीक है. The logic that I came about for this is the indoor-outdoor scenario. The chair, the bowl, the clip, I presume they would be used indoor was the edge versus a tree, badminton, a cycle. They always correspond to the outdoors. The bulb is something which is used mostly towards the mostly in the indoor area of your house. That's why I chose the bulb. I use the logic of indoor outdoor. Somebody was suggesting about the white lines. This white lines, which is separating the the solid surfaces, which is also a logical explanation. But that white line, I don't see it here, where the edges should be white. This edge should be white, which is not seen here, but that's okay. So my logic was indoor outdoor, and that's where I directly arrive at the option B, this one. And that's the correct one also. ठीक है. Chalo. We'll take this one question and then I will end this session. Is that fine? Just this last
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
ठीक है. So you're given letters Sabarmati, Hooghly, Bias, which are rivers. Hooghly, Bias, Krishna, and Ganga, and they all correspond to some number. So Sabarmati corresponds to 94, Hooghly corresponds to 60, Bias corresponds to 42, Krishna corresponds to 72, and Ganga corresponds to 52. Then Narmada would be represented by which number? Anybody wants to talk about the logic behind the numbering first? Give some thought, and can you suggest what is the logic behind this number?
Ma'am, in Sabarmati it is 94, so 9 letters in the word Sabarmati.
And what is 4?
Number of vowels.
Okay, so let's see. Sabarmati, the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters. and you're saying this is the number of vowels. So what are the vowels? A, one, A, another A1, and a third A2, and I, which is 4. Okay, let's see if that works with Hooghly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the number of letters and 2 vowels, O, which is correct. Piaz also it works, 42. Krishna also the same logic works. I and A, they are the 2 vowels, that's where 2. Ganga, same logic works. That's where Narmada will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And vowels are 3, so 73. Is that correct? So option A will be the correct one here. This is clear? Students, any doubt here? Any doubt in this question?
No.
Okay, fine. All right. So we'll stop the session here, and I'll see you then again next week, everybody.